This shock absorber assembly must withstand the intense forces of a carrier landing.
Batch 724 confirmed. Coordinates match the manifest.
Acknowledged. Seal integrity check is good.
The weight is holding steady at 850.2 kilograms.
Dimensional checks passed across the board. We are cleared for machining. The titanium staging is secure, fluid levels optimal. We are ready for the Phase 2 inspection protocols.
With quality confirmed, the dual material routing begins. The process separation lock ensures
As the titanium alloy blocks accelerate into the machining hall for Process A, the hydraulic fluid is simultaneously...
a powerful robotic arm carefully unloads the titanium alloy block, securing it for the A-18E's arresting hook assembly.
As the pressure drops, the red fluid gently bubbles under the intense vacuum. This critical degassing
symbol. The degassed synthetic fluid is meticulously stabilized to exactly 20 degrees Celsius, ensuring the volumetric...
Process A utilizes this inert gas heat treatment furnace to relieve internal stresses and enhance the material's strength, crucial for the Super Hornet's arresting hook. A specialized robotic honing tool with diamond abrasive stones polishes the internal bore of the titanium cylinder. The tool
The precision-machined 36-inch titanium cylinder housing is transported into a vacuum chamber where it undergoes...
The highly accurate CMM probe gently touches critical points on the titanium cylinder, verifying dimensions within
Material. The sealed 36-inch titanium cylinder housings are placed into heavy-duty anti-corrosion barrier bags with...
The nitrogen-sealed packages containing the titanium cylinder housings, Product A, are loaded onto automated storage pallets. The laser micrometer performs a dimensional check on the Super Hornet's piston rod, confirming tolerances are within 1 micron.
La alineación está correcta. Revisa el par de apriete.
Miniature pressure and temperature sensors, vital for monitoring the shock absorber's health, are delicately threaded into the ports.
The arresting hook shock absorber undergoes rapid thermal cycling. Extreme cold simulates high altitude, while bursts of
replicating the highly corrosive environment of an aircraft carrier deck. This simulated seawater mist ensures the integrity of the coating.
Keep it steady on the ramp. Watch the clearance.
Product B is secure. Moving to the next pallet.
Bring the assembly into Bay 3. Make sure the environmental controls on the crate are active.
Verify the seals on the housing.
Seals are intact, no signs of tampering. Looks good.
Final bolt going in, set to 150.
Green light confirmed. Good to go.
Ready.
The arresting hook slams onto the deck, snagging the 3-wire. The tremendous force is transferred directly into the 48-inch shock absorber system.
Successful arrestment. Clear the deck.
The arresting hook assembly, designated Product B, is ready for immediate reuse. This show... Final positioning, engage the shuttle.
Catapult is ready. Green light on Product B.
Clear to launch.
The successful deployment of the shock absorber system, Product B, is the culmination of rigorous industrial